How's it going, guys? In today's video, we're going to be going over a feature that Apple has included in their devices since 2015, power delivery quick charging. This is a feature that's available on iPad Pros 2015 and newer and iPhone 8 and newer devices. Let's check it out. Just keep in mind that in any case, depending on the battery health and also the battery size of the devices that you're charging times may always vary. So what you see here may not be absolutely representative of what you experience with your charging behavior, so just keep that in mind. Covering the details of power delivery, without power delivering, iPhone and iPads are limited to a maximum of 12 watts of charging. This is not the slowest method of charging, as iPhones actually ship with a 5-watt power adapter, iPad shipping with a 10 or 12-watt power adapter. Ultimately, older devices being limited to 12 watts was definitely a limitation of its time. Nowadays, we can experience 18-watt power charging through power delivery technology with the correct adapters. So let's go ahead and check out an example of how quickly these devices charge with power delivery enabled and not power delivery enabled. Moving on to the test to see how big of a difference charge time takes when it comes to power delivery versus a device without power delivery, we're going to be using two iPad Pro 10.5-inch models here. These models both we tested have 5% plus or minus battery health between each other. So we should see an accurate representation as to what the charging speed should be between 18 watts and 12 watts charging. Let's check it out. In this example, we will have this iPad connected to a 29-watt USB-C to Lightning cable power adapter. In this other iPad, we're going to have connected to a USB Type-A Lightning cable 12-watt power adapter. And keep in mind that in the example that we're showing here today, all of the accessories we're testing with are available for purchase in our stores. The iPad that's connected to power delivery is charging much faster. The iPad that's connected to 12 watts is not far behind, leaving 12-watt power charging as an okay option, but definitely if you want to experience quick charging and get back up and running quicker, go ahead and purchase a quick charger for your iPad when you buy it in store. The PowerVolt charger is a great charger for home use. Having a USB Type-A and Type-C port, you can charge two devices at once. If you want something that's more compact, check out the PowerVolt Mini. Its compact size is nearly that of the previously included 5-watt power adapter the iPhone would ship with. If you do need standard charging, we do offer 12-watt power adapters and USB Type-A cables as well. A new product that we now carry, which is amazing value, the MyBat Pro dual port wall charger can charge two devices at once, but only 20-watt continuously, versus the Scosche PowerVolt totals out at 30 combined watts. Another option is just picking up a USB Type-C charger for your MacBook and utilizing it for your iPad or iPhone as well, with the inclusion of a Type-C to Lightning cable. We sell the Type-C to Lightning cables for only $19 in our store. If you like what you saw in today's video, please let us know in the comment section down below. Drop us a like and also hit that subscribe button, hitting the notification bell icon so you get notifications and updates when we post and announce new content being posted like this. Again, thank you for watching the Apple Exchange YouTube channel and have a nice day.